Welcome back to Bass Solutions Outdoors. I'm Joseph Batten. Today is March 24th. It's almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The wind's blowing bad. The water temperature is 68. We're gonna go out here and see if I can show you guys how to catch some fish, maybe on spawn or pre-spawn. Hope this video gives you some good information. If you do, like it, subscribe. Appreciate you watching. Boat stops. Somebody just put caps on so somebody wouldn't tear their boat off there real bad when they hit them. Oh, there he was. That was fast. He ate it up, man. Goodness. Oh, it's a big one too. That's a good fish. Whoo, he's head shaking. Look at him, Kurt. They're schooling right here. No, that was fish eating them. This is a big old spot, Kurt. I mean, a big. It's like I caught the other day. Look at that. Look at that. Get you some of that. 3.5. I can't even grab him. Big old fish. Good one. He's peeing too, Kurt. Look at him. Golly, you can't even hardly hold on to him. Big old spot. Throwing a Carolina rig, Ultra 5 speed crawl. Kurt just lost one. Look at this. I mean, just look at this, Kurt. I can't even keep up with this fish. Look, he's running with it.
He's running with it, eating it at the same time.
Oh, he spit it out.
Running with it, hitting it at the same time.
Oh my gosh. You can tell they're running it off their bed when they do that. I'm just wide open. I couldn't even keep up with that fish. I bet ain't even nobody fished right here all day. They were coming up busting right here so bad. Hard to if you get bit on that floor, that mono, but
I ain't feeling it. Just
you can feel them, but it ain't the same. Whoa. I got another good one. God, this fish is pulling, Kurt. It's a big one. That or he got something wrapped around him. He's still good, but he had a stick or something.
hey, what was that?
I don't know.
Like a limb.
All right, guys, just caught another nice thick spotted bass. Probably 2.5, somewhere around there, 2 3/4, something like that. I don't know. Either way, he's big and he's pretty. It's what we're searching for. We just need one with a tagger right there. Oh, I was gonna keep him.
We should get that concrete solved.
I do too. Man, that was a good one. There he was. I mean, just picked, my lead went limp. He's not as big. That's a largemouth. I think, yeah. Largemouth. Caught a largie. Alright guys, it's critical when you're fishing this time of year to have a shorter leader, which this one's not that short, it's about my arm's length. Shorter leader. I got a 4-aught Yamagatsu hook on the back. I've got a 3/4 ounce size weight and just a bead and a swivel. And these big boys are eating it up. I caught me a stick and it felt like a big old spot. And Kurt just caught one on a rattle trap. Weird you wasn't backlashing when the wind was blowing.
You think here or there, I was throwing it, and I was throwing half the spool off there, and it wasn't backlash. Now I barely caught it on backlash.
Got one. All right, guys, just caught a little one. Back, wouldn't it? Check them all. All right, everybody. Kurt just caught another one on the rattle trap. They're choking the rattle trap. They're hitting that time it hits the water. It's nuts. Move it this way a little bit. They can see it. There you go. They hitting it like that the other day too, Kurt? When you was down here? That felt like a bite.
Pretty good boy over there.
Was it? That's fun when they choke a rattle trap. I got one that thinks he's big. And he is. He's a good one. Ugh. Another good fish. Big spot. Working on a bag today. All right, everybody, Kurt's got one. Good solid one too. Actually, he's not as big as I thought he was gonna be. Still a solid fish. He ate that speed crawl up. Look at his belly, Kurt. Is that eggs coming out? It's yellow.
Don't look like eggs.
Oh. He's been drinking Mountain Dew or something? Pretty good one.
What's on the left over there beside that bird? Is that a cooler sitting on the bank?
No, it's a buoy, a green buoy. It's normally up when I used to catch fish off that little spot. They usually bed right there. All right, guys, just caught one. They're out here, Kurt. They're a little bit further out. Guys, just caught a largemouth. Pretty little largemouth. Checking for a tag. God, he's fat, Kurt. My line broke. God, dog. Dang it. All right, everybody. Kurt just caught one. I just had my line broke on a big one. He's throwing a rattle trap. Chromey boo. Look at the belly on that fish. Good grief. I'm marking them all under us.
Probably somewhere next to a point set, stick that and set.
Yeah, you just think so. Leave that fish hit mine like that. Like to snatch the freaking rod out of my hand. A little bit better. Alright guys, we've got a pattern anyways. Got a pattern on them. Nothing big, but alright everybody. Here's a good one.
Inside the face.
we're really doing, guys, is just finding bank pockets with wind on them. And it don't really matter. It seems like every pocket we go to with wind on it, there's fish. But it sawed my line in too when I couldn't set the hook on the fish. All right, guys, just caught one on the Spro. Spro Little John. Got that one. Something stabbed him in the side. Got a stab on his side. Something stabbed him right there. That's a big fish. It is like it.
I can't believe it didn't come off the break.
Guys, I just caught a big one. Too bad there ain't a truck tag or something on this big sucker. God, he is mad. That's a good one. Carolina rig. Big boy. Begging. That's a big fish. It is like it.
I can't believe it didn't come off the break.
Guys, I just caught a big one. Too bad there ain't a truck tag or something on this big sucker. God, he is mad. That's a good one. Carolina rig. Big boy. Begging. No, he just thought he was good. He'd be real good if he had that little red stick in the back.
Oh, he just spit up shad.
Did he?
Fish just pick it up off the bottom and my leg got caught on something. Felt like something hit as I was picking it up.
Really? Oh, really? It's amazing how you can't duplicate what you've done in the past. It's good. Ooh, that's a good one too. That's definitely a good one. Just caught one. Pretty solid fish. No tag. No tag. Hook still sharp.
As far as I can tell, it's pretty sharp. I'll be sharp enough to catch one anyway.
There he is. Oh my God. That's another good one, Kurt. Woo. Either he's good or he's hooked in the jaw. He thinks he's big. Goodness gracious. He's not that big, but he's not bad. He'd just be good if he's red tag. Oh, that's a solid one. For sure. Why? Why? Come on, tag fish. Where you at? I'll be happy with this though. All right, guys, that's it. Caught a bunch of fish. The wind was blowing. We caught them in shallow pockets. Rattle trap, speed crawl, spro. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. Until next time, Joseph Patton. Appreciate you watching.